Oh, really? I'll come around the other side so she can see what's on.
Then if you press there's a grey button to your right. Yeah, press that one to close. You look over to your left, you can try number 4. Yeah, and look back over to your right. Hit that big red button. There you go.
Hey.
You can close it again and just try it.
Is that the train?
Sorry? It's an autonomous car. Yeah.
So essentially, she's controlling the car without touching
So
anything.
what I'm trying to say is with gesture control and augmented reality, instead of waving your hands about with no sort of reference point,
Yep.
you've got a reference to actually touch something, and so you don't actually think about, for example, here, that's a slider, so you can move that from left to right. So if you don't actually think about moving your hand like this,
Yep.
you kind of just see a button and you just sort of drag it across, and that's the idea behind it.
Excellent.
Can we take it off? Hit the grey button to your right. That one's close it. Yep. And then you can, like, if you go to the left, you can press any of those buttons. Try and change it. Try this. Press the big blue button to turn it all off. If you bring, yep. Look at your left hand. There you go. Press that blue one. Yep, that turns it all off. And you press it again to it's back off.
Can you like walk around?
It's a bit dangerous. You could in this, but it also means you walk around here, and I don't want you bumping into anybody.
So the movement of your hand is that.
Sorry?
So when you move your hand, it's that.
Yeah, well, essentially this is what he's seeing, but this is the thing that's tracking his hands. So the reason why sometimes you don't see it is because this isn't picking it up.
Right. Okay, so that's the sensor.
Yeah, exactly. It's basically a camera. So. Oh, you gotta close it with the other button. Right. Hit that one. Yeah.
Look to your right. There you go.
Then you can try and turn the handle. Yeah.
Under his up.
Yep.
He's looking around, seeing the car. You can see what's inside the car. You can see the whole car, yeah?
Hi.
Okay, 1 minute. Let the gentleman come back here.
Good.
Okay, give me. Look at the car. Look at the car. On the right.
Yeah.
Yeah. There.
You can see the car? Can you see it?
Oh, but you're recording that.
I was recording it over here.
Yeah.
Left? No, you've gone too far. You need to find the car. Yeah, we can see what he's seeing on the computer. Can you see? That's what Abdurrahim can see.
Where's he looking? Look at it. Oh, inside.